Hello guys, this is Saurabh from IT Virtual Electrical Department, and today in front of you there is a problem, right? From the parabola section. And the problem statement is given. Problem statement is given. Uh, Wait a minute. Yeah. So the problem statement is there is a parabola equals y square equals to 8x, right? So the equation is given y square equals to 8x, and what has been done is so clearly 4a equals 8, right? 4a equals 8 if you compare with the standard one. A equals to 2, fine. So the focus is clearly 2 comma 0. And it is given on axis of the parabola there is a point 4 comma 0. From this point there are multiple chords are drawing, right? So multiple chords are drawing. Let's draw one chord, right? So it is given, let's say draw one chord, and there is a p point, right? And it is intersecting the parabola at the point a1 and b1. Let mark it a1 and b1. Consequently there is another chord which is intersecting at a2 b2. There is another chord which is intersecting the parabola at a3 b3. And because there are four such chords, right? Let us mark one by one. A3, B3, A3 and B3. Okay, fine. And there's another one also, that is A4 and B4. B4 and A4. So what we have to calculate is this value 1 by P1A square plus 1 by B1PB P1B sorry P1A sorry PA1 and wait a minute. What you have to calculate is PA1 square plus 1 by PB2 square PB1 square, sorry. Correspondingly, basically, if you imagine, corresponding to the point P, there is a chord. There are four chords in the diagram, right? So, corresponding to the chord A1, B1, let mark it A and B, right? Let mark it C and D. So we have to calculate 1 by A square plus 1 by B square, and corresponding to the chord A2, B2, there are such two segments. It is A2P and P2 PB2. So we have to square and add all those 1 by reciprocal of all such chords, right? So we have to calculate 1 by PA1 square plus 1 by PB1 square plus 1 by PA2 square plus 1 by PB2 square. Correspondingly, PA3, PB3, and PA4 and PB4. This we have to calculate. So this is not a easy one, right? If you know the result. So let me introduce another very standard thing which you should know, right? So it is given something like that. There is a parabola. Let us call this a parabola y square equal to 4x. And what we know is that there is a chord which has the property that it is always passing through t comma 0. So what relation we can establish between t1 and t2? Its parameter is t1 and its parameter is t2. So clearly, this has a coordinate of 81 square comma 281. Fine. And the parameter, the point having parameter t2 will have a coordinate of 82 square comma 282. Okay. So it is given the chord is passing through c comma 0 always, right? So what we can write is the equation of the chord. So we can write y minus 281 upon x minus 81 square should be equal to slope of the line, right? And it is 2a t1 minus t2 divided by 81 square minus t2 square, right? So after little bit manipulation, what we can write is y minus 281 upon x minus 81 square should equals, if you expand this by a square minus b square, we got t1 minus t2 multiplied by t1 plus t2. So it will be 2 by t1 plus t2. So if a line is clearly passing through c comma 0, if we satisfy this point, what we got is c minus 281 upon minus 81 square is equals 2 upon t1 plus t2. Fine. Let us cross multiply this statement. Statement बोल रहा हूँ, equation c minus 281 multiplied by t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 281 square. Fine. So clearly ct1 plus ct2 minus 281 square minus 281 t2 is equal to minus 281 square. It going to cancel. So Uh, what we got is, wait a minute, C into T1 plus T2. I guess sufficiently I'm nothing done a mistake still. Wait a minute. X equals 0. Sorry, wait a minute. It is given a C comma 0, right? And I'm passing this reciprocal of that. So y minus 2a T1 upon x minus a T1 square is equal to 2 by T1 plus T2. And the passing through C comma 0. So minus 2a T1 divided by C minus a T1 square is equal to 2 by T1 plus T2. So minus 2a T1 into T1 plus T2 should be balanced 2C minus 2a T1 square. 2C minus 2a T1 square. Okay. So minus 2a T1 square minus 2a T1 T2 should balance 2C minus 2a T1 square. So clearly C is equal to minus a T1 T2. So this all chords have has a property that पैरामीट्रिक कोऑर्डिनेट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर हम करें मतलब पैरामीटर्स का तो T1 into T2 कितना आ जाएगा माइनस सी अपॉन ए इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्लियरली फोकल कॉर्ड में क्या होता है वो एक जीरो से पास करता है तो उसके लिए मेरे रिजल्ट भी याद होता है T1 T2 माइनस वन हो जाता है ठीक है इसका इस्तेमाल करना है काफी सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम तो देखिए अगर हम करस्पॉन्डिंग सिर्फ एक कॉर्ड को ऑब्जर्व करें तो क्या कह सकते हैं सिर्फ एक कॉर्ड की अगर ध्यान से देखें हमारे पास क्या होगा T1 T2 कितना होगा वो हमारा सी कितना था 4 ए कितना था 2 तो क्या हो जाएगा T1 T2 इज इक्वल्स माइनस सी बाई डेट इक्वल्स माइनस टू और वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कितना है 8x तो ये पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा 80 स्क्वायर का 280 तो ए की वैल्यू 2 है यहाँ इसको मान लिया टी तो कितना हो जाएगा 80 स्क्वायर दैट इज 2t स्क्वायर कॉमा 280 दैट 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 280 तो 2 into t that is 40 and it is clearly 4 comma 0 and it is minus 2 by t so 80 square so 2 into minus 2 by t square that is 8 by t square 280 so 2 into minus 2 by t that is minus 8 by t it is p it is a1 it is b1 so it is 1 by p a1 square plus 1 by p b1 square is equal to 1 by let us evaluate the p a1 square first and p b1 square first so p a1 square is a1 is 2t square 2t square comma 40 ठीक है 2t square comma 40 and b is a1 sorry b1 is 8 by t square 8 by t square comma minus 8 by t and p is 4 comma 0 let's evaluate the distance p a1 square is equal to 2t square minus 4 square plus 40 square that is equal to 40 की power 4 plus 16 minus 16t square plus 16t square so it is 16 plus 4t की power 4 ठीक है p b1 square क्या होगा 8 by t square minus 4 square plus 64 by t square that is equal to 64 by t की power 4 plus 16 and minus 64 by t square plus 64 by t square that is 0 so if we reciprocate this what we got is 1 by 16 plus 4t की power 4 प्लस यहाँ पे मैंने गलती कर दी 64 बाई टी की पावर 4 होगा ठीक है प्लस 1 अपॉन 64 बाई टी की पावर 4 प्लस 16 यहाँ पर ऊपर नीचे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा 4 अपॉन 64 प्लस 16 टी की पावर 4 प्लस ऑफ टी की पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 64 प्लस 16 टी की पावर 4 clearly these are same so what we can write is 4 plus t की पावर 4 divided by 64 plus 16 t की power 4 clearly 16 is coming out so what we got is 1 by 16 so for this one chord what we are getting is this this is 4 times right this is 4 times so it is 1 by 16 so this all 4 so 1 by 16 into 4 is equal to 1 by 4 fine So it is equals to k given in the question. We have to calculate 8 into k. That is clearly 8 into 1 upon 4. That is equal to 2. It is the required answer. और ये जो क्वेश्चन था रिसेंटली नारायण केआईटीज में अपीयर हुआ था और काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। थैंक यू, आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और जिस ये रिजल्ट काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इससे काफी जल्दी हो जाएगा। एंड बाकी थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखते हैं।